So, good evening. Finally managed to get this software to work. So I just wanted to let you know how to go about certain details of the voiceover preparation. The best way to do this is to bring out the video into Aegisub so that you can spot it. So here you can see, you can spot the piece of audio that you want to work on, that you want to transcribe. And so here,
they reckon there's about 60 million images here and probably about 30,000 hours of footage, and it is very much the tip of the iceberg. You know, there's just thousands of boxes we've never been through.
So for that section, I just put in the source text transcription here, translated it here, and put the target text adaptation here. And the reason why the target text adaptation is somewhat shorter is simply because you need a lag in and a lag out, meaning that you want to allow maybe half a second to 1.5 seconds of silence before you start saying your target text adaptation, and the same when you go out. So essentially you're going to be lowering the volume at the beginning of the original material, speaking your target text adaptation here, and then at the end going back out gradually into the source text. So these are the visual, audio cues and mood, which just allow you to remember where you're at within the adaptation when you're doing the voiceover. So here at the beginning it's very neutral, later on it gets a little bit ironic, and it just helps you create your own tone for your voiceover if you need to be anything beyond neutral. And for these, you see these vignettes and the timeline, these are gained from Aegisub. So to get the vignette, you just go onto this pane here and copy the image to the clipboard, and then you will be pasting it into here. So press Ctrl V, and here you have your little vignette. You can size it as you want to, and then later you can put in very precise timeline references also from Aegisub once you've spotted it with the brackets as we spoke about the other day. So here you can get the timeline references from here. So copy that, bring it out into the document, paste it, and similarly at the end you copy that and paste it too. And if you can do the first 2 minutes of this, I know some of you have already wanted to try to start. I have some, as you can see, some messages here which I tried to answer, but just do the first 2 minutes and that'll be fine. That'll be quite a lot already, and we'll you can then submit your script here. Link to voiceover preparation. So clearly you have to go to File and make a copy of this document and make your own voiceover preparation. And that's about it. So hopefully I'll be receiving a lot of your work soon, and see you in class when we can continue to go over this and actually work on the audio aspect, the practical aspect of this project. Until soon.